Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, samahan ninyo ako sa isang amazing road trip from Istanbul to Izmir. A 4-hour journey full of beautiful views, bridges, tunnels, and unforgettable moments. Grabe! One of the most unforgettable road trips I experienced here in Turkey is traveling from Istanbul to Izmir. Imagine, around 4 hours lang or let's say more than 4 hours. Pero ang dami mong makikita, mararamdaman at matututunan along the way. We started early in the morning. The city is full of beautiful and amazing views. The city was just waking up. Konti pa lang ang traffic and the air feels fresh. Habang nagda-drive kami palabas ng city, makikita mo pa yung mga iconic views ng Bosporus, slowly fading habang papunta ka sa long highway journey. As we continued, papasok kami sa isang pinaka-importanting parts ng trip, ang Osman Gazi Bridge. The bridge is not just ordinary. Sobrang haba niya and connects two sides of Marmara region. Before the bridge existed, people needed to take a ferry, which would take much longer. Habang dumadaan ka dito, mapapaisip ka talaga na ang galing ng engineering. The views is so relaxing. Water on the both sides, tapos parang ang smooth ng flow ng travel. But yes, the bridge is a toll bridge, so you need to pay. Dito sa Turkey, most highways like the one are part of a toll system called SGS or OGS. Parang automatic payment system na nakakabit sa car. After crossing the bridge, tuloy-tuloy ang expressway. Malawak, malinis, at very organized. This is part of the 0 to 5 motorway, one of the fastest roads going to Izmir. Along the way, you will also pass through the several toll gates, or the Gishi in Turkish. Correct me if I am wrong. I don't know really the correct pronunciation of this Gishi or Gishe. Hindi mo masyado mapapansin kasi hindi ka na kailangang huminto. Automatic na siyang nagcha-charge. But each time you pass, it means you are using premium roads na mas mabilis at mas convenient. At grabe, yung araw na yon, maulan. From Istanbul to Balikesir. Maulan talaga siya. Pero pagdating doon sa area na kung saan mga Manisa, malapit na ng Izmir, maaraw na. Kaya oh wow, bigla kang makapagsabi na wow, amazing, walang ulan. So, makikita mo rin sa part lampas ng Bursa, napaka-foggy ng area. Halos hindi mo makikita yung highway. Which is nakakatakot siya kasi prone siya sa accident. Kasi nga, see, as you can see, napaka-foggy talaga and bukid na area siya, mountain area kasi sa guys. So, napaka-foggy that time at really maulan. And as of now, until now I mean, maulan at malamig pa rin. So, in Izmir, hindi ganun yung panahon doon, mainit doon. Pero malamig pa rin siya. Yan, continue pa rin yung ating travel guys. Makikita nyo, napaka-foggy pero napakaganda ng view. Makikita mo yung nature ay napakaganda. Alam mo yung habang nasa loob ka ng sasakyan, mafe-feel mo talaga na ang ganda talaga and bari-relax yung utak mo na at least man lang for how many months, days, hours, makakakita ka ng bundok na kung saan makaka-relax ang utak mo. Makakalanghap ka ng fresh air. Yung alam mong wow, eto na yun. Pero sa totoo lang along the way talaga, especially sa may mga foggy area, nakakatakot. Kasi alam mo yung aksidente, doon talaga kasi hindi naman sa wish natin, pero talaga, pag sinabi na kasi natin yung foggy, nakakatakot at saka yung ulitin ko yung prone talaga sa accident. Ayan. Pero may mga lights din naman. Warning lights, ganun. So, ayan, dadaan tayo sa may toll gate. As what I have said, most of the places here may mga toll gate talaga. Every city. So, direct na siya doon sa owner ng car. Ngayon, dadaan tayo sa tunnel. Then, mararanasan mo na rin yun ang pagdaan sa tunnels. Isa sa pinaka-notable na is the Orhagaze Tunnel. Pagpasok mo sa tunnel, biglang mapapaiba ang feelings. From bright daylight to controlled. Alam mo yung from light, then biglang nagiging dark. Ganun, daylight to a controlled, enclosed space. Tahimik, steady, at parang cinematic yung vibe. Yung, alam mo yung, oy, minsan, alam mo pag sinabi nating tunnel, nakakatakot kasi nga, no, too much space, wala masyado, hindi malawak masyado yung, kumbaga limited lang yung area. At saka yung space ba, alam mo yun, tapos ang bilis tang patakbo ng mga sasakyan. So, mapapaisip ka talaga, am I safe here or not? So, just keep praying na sana maging okay yung travel. And then, habang lumalabas kami sa tunnel, alam mo yung, I was feel so blessed. And you'll be greeted again by beautiful landscapes. Makikita mo mamaya yung wow. Pagkalabas mo ng tunnel, makikita mo yung ang ganda ng view. Etong tunnel na to kasi napakahaba talaga niya guys. As in, haba talaga siya. I think it took more than 1 minute bago ka makalabas sa tunnel. Kaya mapapasabi ka talaga na, wow, what if, ang dami mo ng imagination, what if may earthquake, what if may ganito, what if may ganito. Pero sa tibay siguro ng tunnel na to, for how many decades na, centuries, anyone ko, hindi ko lang alam. Pero sa tagal naman ito siguro, napakatibay nito. So, what I have said, habang lumalabas ka sa tunnel, you will be greeted again by beautiful landscapes, mountains, green fields, and sometimes small towns. Mapapansin mo din how Turkey balances nature and infrastructure. Yan. Along the way guys, yan. Makikita mo yun yan. I think it's Balikesir. Huminto din kami pala sa isang station kung saan nag-almusal kami. Pero hindi ko na ilagay dito. So, ayan, malapit-lapit na rin tayo sa Izmir. I think mga 1 hour na lang siguro. Yan. At dadaan naman tayo ulit pala sa isa pang tunnel after. Habang papalapit ka sa Izmir, isa pang highlights ay ang Sabon Chukubuli Tunnel. Sabon Kubili Tunnel. Sorry if I mispronounce it, but Eto na yung tunnel. Napakaganda niya at hindi siya kasing haba ng isang tunnel na pagdaanan natin. So, this tunnel helps shorten the travel time significantly. Before, drivers needed to go through winding mountains road which were dangerous and slow. But now, dahil sa tunnel na ito, mas safe at mas mabilis ang biyahe. So as what I have said, hindi siya singhaba ng tunnel na kung saan una kaming dumaan. And of course, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang system dito. Kaya, if you're planning this trip, make sure that your car is equipped with SHGS. Sobrang importante niya. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo naman, aside sa dadaan ka ng toll gate, strict din sila, may mga checkings din. So, ayan na, lalabas na tayo. Dadaan na kami. Bye-bye! See you after. And of course, after hours of driving, mararamdaman mo ang pagbabago ng paligid. The air becomes warmer. The vibe becomes more relaxed. And finally, welcome to Izmir, a beautiful coastal city. Ibang feelings pagdating mo dito, from the busy, historical energy of Istanbul, mapupunta ka sa isang lugar na mas chill, mas laid back, mas sobrang ganda ang seaside views. The journey is not just about going from one place to another. It's about the experiencing modern Turkey. The bridges, the connect regions, the tunnels that cut through mountains, and the highways that make life easier. So, if you ever plan to travel from Istanbul to Izmir, don't just think of it as 4 hours drive. Think of it was an adventure full of stories, engineering wonders, and beautiful scenery. So guys, thank you sa paglakbay kasama ko from Istanbul to Izmir. Nakikita nyo kung saan kami natutulog. Natulog, I mean, dyan yung place. Kung saan, yan ang tinatawag nilang Little Taksim. Parang Taksim. Same like Taksim daw, sabi nila. So, yan. Dyan